put some water in the radiator, see if it leaks. Then hook up the gas, and we're gonna go see if we can take it for a drive.
Just found some Jug Jenny headline in the basement. She was kind enough to provide. Since we are gonna actually take it for a ride, might as well see if the radiator holds a little bit of water. Ooh! Damn near almost enough, babe. That's pretty awesome. And I currently don't see any water pouring out of anything. Ooh, that's not good. Why is that solid as rock? Why is it like that? Oh, there's a coil in these. That's right. These old radiators have like a wire inside to hold their strength, which is dumb. Because guess what wires do? They rust. We're gonna figure out a good place to put this so it doesn't, you know, kill us. That's in there. So now we're not going very far, otherwise I'd make this more less deadly. Spring. Chose the wrong size. Bunch of cord for that. Oh, of course this moves now, but that's okay.
Ah!
No, that didn't work. Classic move there, James. Classic move. Okay, hold on. Are you in there? So you're buried in there.
I feel like you need another bungee cord.
I think it might be not a bad idea. Oh, I got another one right here, so hook this ground to here because it's apparently necessary. Ground's hooked. That's hooked. That's kind of hooked. I'm gonna actually tighten that down here in a minute. Luckily, it's really warm outside, so it's not uncomfortable to be out here. Not. Oh, where are you at? Where can I hook you to so you don't... Although, hey, that's not so bad.
That's pretty jiggly, bro.
Burrow?
Yeah, bro.
Chill, bro. Alright.
Just go around the front of it. Just like loop it around.
Just a little hole right here, maybe. Because I don't think... Oh. You know what? That's way more solid than I thought it was.
The air tube.
Yeah. Maybe we'll rethink this then. I didn't realize the air tube was as solid as well. I was like, maybe some cheapo, but I guess I should have just suspected it was pretty solid considering, you know, this is far from the era where they built things strong. Most other areas were it's just whatever. Perhaps no fault. That would be ideal. Thank you.
You don't want gas all over the inside of the engine bay?
I really don't. I'm not a fan.
Weird.
This is stupid.
I think on the spring was fine if you just put another one around the front of it so it didn't, you know, jiggle everywhere.
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
We'll run the battery.
It's gonna fling your ground wire off.
Probably not. I'm gonna
Totes.
tighten the ground wire.
100%.
I'm gonna tighten the ground wire. So I won't do any flanking. Oh shit. Oh shit. Don't do that.
Bro.
Hey.
Bro.
Beautiful.
You were so chaotic.
Yay. Beautiful. Look at that. It's perfect. It's almost like it was made for it. And then I might want to. We won't be doing any donuts. It's probably not a good idea to do that. And it's hooked up. Get a little bit more water. Let me turn that off. Okay, so I've expertly and permanently repaired the exhaust. It had like a weld that was broken off and a C-clamp that doesn't seem to be doing much. So I've used baling wire, which is the race car equivalent of welding it on. And then I zip tied it together to make sure it won't touch anything. Beautiful, right? And then you always want to connect your grounds to your battery, no matter what. It's the most important thing. So make sure all your grounds run to your battery. So that's what I've done here. Make sure the grounds run to your battery. Securely fasten your battery down, which I've already documented there. And then this is one of the coolest things I bought. You just close it up. It only had 9 PSI, probably a little too much, a little too little to drive around. And look at that air just going right up to the side. We're gonna fill up all 4 of them. And they all should be good. And then we're gonna maybe clean out the passenger seat so Jenny can ride with me and go from there. So point out what you just said to me real quick.
All of the cracks along the sidewalls.
So yeah, I mean, all you guys will know that the cracks in the sidewalls, those are for race purposes. That way when you're at really high speeds, the tire will fly off. And so you have a lower, like a smaller rotating
Quicker to
circle.
die.
Yeah, so it's quicker, so it goes faster. You want that. It's good, it's like it's shearing weight. And you know, lower rotating mass, it goes faster. So that's a good thing, you want that. Yeah, so I'm hoping all the tires are like that, because that would be ideal. All right, so I have the throttle return spring baling wired on. It's very awesome, super duper. Jenny checked the gas pedal and it works. I have my everything hooked up there, got my exhaust baling wired and hooked up. It should actually be quiet now too, which is pretty cool because it was pretty loud before. Alrighty, honey, if you want to go ahead and stick the key in her, put the foot on down on the clutch, operate the, give a little gas, and fire her up. Oh, nope, don't take your foot off the, don't turn it, don't stop turning it over until it starts. Stop operating the gas. Oh, stop operating the gas, just do the throttle, or just do the key. Beautiful. That's idling actually pretty good. I thought the idle was really high before. I don't have a tack. The exhaust is staying on. Rev it up a bit, babe. Huh? Yeah, it's probably exhaust leak now because I have the exhaust actually hooked back up. Yeah, I hear it. It's fine. Give it a gas. A little more. Ooh, that sounds pretty good. You want to try pulling it forward a bit, or you want to do the clutch and stuff, or you want me to do that? Well, I'm gonna walk around to the back real quick. Ooh, listen to that purring. Give it a little gas. A little more. Oh. What's that? Mosquito clear upper, right? So that's good. That's healthy. Yeah, that ticking is most likely just the oil getting to the top, or of the top end, or who knows. Does it have a tack?
Is that what this is? Because it's bouncing like a motor.
Oh, that's the alternator charging the battery. You want to try it? Try to put it in first. Okay, and you're going to give it a little bit of gas as you let the clutch out.
They're not moving. Is there a parking brake?
No. It started to move a little bit. Oh, put your foot in the clutch. Look at it go. She's rolling. You put your foot back in the clutch. Woohoo! Well, that was pretty dope. See if you can find neutral. Wiggle it around. Let your foot off the clutch. Yes! You're amazing. Good job. Okay, so it rolls. That's pretty fucking awesome. Shut your door. Pull forward. Learning how to drive a clutch and a 3-speed. I taught her how to drive a clutch like, I don't know, a decade ago. Woo! Great. Look at that.
That's the first time this car has probably moved over its own power in God knows how long. Awesome! Well, I'm gonna probably just hop in then. Comfortable driving it?
Figure it out.
Alright. Don't hit anybody. You don't need to hit as much RPMs too when you're doing it.
This is the third time I've
I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you.
So
Go left or right, doesn't matter. A little more gas. A little more gas.
I feel like I'm around.
You're alright, you're alright. Hang left. Go left.
This power steering is not that bad. AKA lack of power
A
steering.
little more gas. Look at this sucker goes. The speedo work?
It says 0.
Alright, remember you gotta put your foot on the clutch before you stop here. I hope that's not engine noise. We'll find out though. Take off, turn left, I guess. Oh, killed it. That's okay. Put your foot back on the clutch. See if we'll start again. Beautiful. Alrighty. A little slower on the clutch and you're probably good to go. You're alright, you're alright, you're alright, you're alright. Just go slow. We'll leave it in first for now.
Well, yeah. I think this is the biggest steering wheel ever done.
It's pretty awesome though.
That is pretty awesome. And I have my old lady jacket on with my old lady car.
You're all old ladied up.
There's a bit of weight reduction in case you saw that. It's pretty dope.
Some down there too, so we're being very careful. And I do not believe the seats is bolted in, so it's like riding in a horse and buggy. It's kind of cool. Hang left. And then when we get home, just park it in front of the house where the mailbox is. Yeah, the hood's not bolted down. The trunk lid's not bolted down. The brakes work in this car, which is just bananas. Should be good. Oh, you're good, you're good. Nice takeoff. That was good.
That was not great.
That was good. Gorgeous. Need a little ventilation.
Warm.
Yeah, probably because it's warm. It's never been heated up. Go just roller to a stop. Oh, no, you're good. Just put your foot on the clutch. And a roll, coast. Keep going. We just need to get it out in front of the gates and put the trailer back. All right, put your foot on the brake. Oh, well.
I did put my foot on the brake.
Well, you took your foot off the clutch, though, and that's why it died. Okay, turn the key off. That was pretty successful. Nice job. So that's the first time we driven the car. Went around the block. Huh? We didn't what?
You wanted to go for the back of it or something. Leaving, you said.
Oh, I got some video of it sitting there. It was good. Door shuts just like a champ. Honestly, Jenny drove it excellently. She killed it one time. For having zero experience driving the car, it actually was super easy and she nailed it. So that's pretty sweet. It sits a little high in the front. It needs a V8, I think. I'll lower the front end a bit. Yeah, holy shit. That was awesome. That was super cool and fun to do. Very little work to do it. I mean, really all I had to do was get a battery hooked up to it, rebuild the carburetor, and fire it on up. Nice job, babe. So we drove it back, and I actually took it around the block one more time, but apparently something fell off in the shift linkage because it wouldn't go into neutral, wouldn't shift out at first. But I was able to just pull it into the driveway. We're gonna leave it there for now. I disconnect the battery so I can put it on a trickle charge. It needs a 6 volt, but I just had a 12 volt line around, so I hooked that up and it worked. As long as you don't hook it to any accessories, it's not gonna hurt anything. So it's got a weird ticking, but I think that's just valve. It probably needs an oil change, even though the oil looked really good. So hopefully there's more to come. I'm not sure if Jenny thoroughly enjoyed it. If not, then I've got the 350 on the engine stand and we can throw that in there, make it more powerful, but we'll see. Alrighty, have a good one, guys. Bye.